Hi all. Now that you've successfully logged into your Office 365 account, we can explore some of the features that you're going to see from your home screen. The first things that you're going to notice are a few different icons, some of which are going to be programs that you're used to working with, for instance, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You're also going to see an icon that says OneDrive with a picture of a cloud on it. OneDrive is your online storage space through Office 365, and it's cloud-based storage. What makes OneDrive different from, let's say, your L Drive is that you are able to access it from any computer that has internet access or any device that has internet access. So let's begin by clicking on OneDrive so we can explore the features. Once you click on OneDrive, you're going to notice that a new tab pops open. Notice that OneDrive is set up in a file system, so think about organizationally how you like to work. If you would like to begin by creating folders to organize yourself, the easiest way to do that is to go up top and click on the New button. When you click on the New button, you will get a drop down of where you will see some different options. The first one of those is to create a folder. I'm going to show you how you're going to create a folder. And it's pretty simple. You just click on where it says folder and you type the name of it. So maybe you're going to say this is your science for the year. And you hit create. As soon as that create button is hit, you're going to notice that the new folder is already created, and you'll see that these three little blue lines are there, and that just indicates that something has been done recently. If I wanted to create another new folder, and maybe this one will be my math folder, I would simply do that same process all over again. Once you have created some folders or documents, you might notice that when you scroll over them, a little bubble pops up at which point you can check off. When you put a check mark in that bubble, you're going to see that that folder is highlighted. Take a notice up top, because there's a few options there that you might be interested in. If you no longer want that folder, you can delete it entirely by clicking the delete button, and it will pretty much put it in the recycle bin. If you made an error on naming it, it's also the place that you could click up top and you can rename your folder. After you hit save, it's going to instantly change the name of your folder. I already have one named that, so I just have to choose a different name. Now that you are comfortable with creating new folders, set yourself up in a way that makes sense to you. In the next video, I will show you how we can upload folders and files that we have already created, maybe on our desktop or in our L drives.